In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. So, Dusk, technology for securities. Oh, hit the subscribe button at the bottom right-hand corner. Subscribe to the channel. Binance has just listed Dusk coin. Dusk is technology for securities. Dusk streamlines the issuance of digital securities and automates the trading compliance with the world's first programmable and confidential securities. Dusk Network is a cryptographic, transparent digital ledger, a high throughput and scalable permissionless blockchain that provides confidential proofs of ownership, compliance, and funds. It satisfies global privacy requirements and yet enables audits by the public and the regulator. Issuing digital securities is a long process with costly intermediaries and uncertainty of outcome. Dusk streamlines this process and automates trading compliance with the world's first programmable confidential security contract, which Dusk buyers and sellers of digital securities can frictionlessly issue and compliantly trade. So Binance just announced 3 hours ago that they will list Dusk. Fellow Binanceans, Binance would list Dusk Network and open trading for Dusk BNB, Dusk BTC, Dusk UTC, USTD, Dusk USDC, Dusk PAX trading pairs. Users can now start depositing Dusk in preparation for training. The Dusk team will donate 3,012 BNB to the Blockchain Charity Foundation in appreciation for this listing. You may deposit ERC20 Dusk tokens to your Binance account by depositing to your EHTC deposit address. So that's your Ethereum address. We are listing the BEP2 version of Dusk as the default token. Users will only be able to withdraw the BEP2 version of Dusk tokens. The Dusk token asset page is available here on the Binance chain. To learn more about the Dusk Network project, read the in-depth report by the Binance research team. So I really like these Binance reports because they're really good. Dusk Network is a blockchain platform for programmable and confidential securities. They raised over $8 million via private token sale from August to November 2018. Private proof-of-stake implementation, which enables block generators to stake anonymously, utilizes zero CAF to achieve fast, efficient, and bulletproof-friendly elliptical curve operations. Built by a team of entrepreneurs, engineers, and researchers from a wide variety of backgrounds: Amazon, TomTom, Mozilla, Zcash, City of Zion, Neo Research. The ticker for Dusk is DUSK Dusk. The price at the time of the ICO was 23 cents. The volume right now is 22.22 million. The circulating supply is low. It's about 77 million. It's a circulating supply. The total supply is 500 million Dusk tokens. The Dusk Network, or the project, it aims to achieve on-chain privacy and programmability while maintaining high throughput and instant transaction finality. Dusk Network is built upon these key innovations: private and proof-of-stake implementation, proof-of-bill bind, consensus in 3 phases: block generation, block reduction, and block agreement; zero CAF for fast, efficient, and bulletproof-friendly elliptical curve operations. Zero CAF is an elliptical curve developed on the residual scale of your field. Implementation of Poseidon, a zero-knowledge friendly hashing algorithm. Browser nodes for zero-knowledge verification. Zero-knowledge virtual machine architecture. Instant transaction finality. Due to the properties of the Dusk Network, consensus protocol transactions are finally immediately after the completion of the block, aside for a negligible probability of a fork. Private proof-of-stake Dusk Network consensus protocol, segregated by a team agreement, is powered by a proof-of-bind bid that enables block generators to stake anonymously. Decentralization: by decentralizing resource centralization from staking pools, small participants are encouraged to partake in the consensus. Replaceability: consensus participants are chosen pseudo-randomly and independent of earlier outcomes. What is Dusk? Dusk is a privacy-oriented blockchain protocol featuring segregated Byzantine agreement to provide probability, programmability, and contract auditability. Dusk is built by a team of entrepreneurs, engineers, and researchers with technical experience at Amazon, TomTom, Mozilla, Redcore, and blockchain backgrounds: Zcash, City of Zion, Neo Research. Dust Network is currently in the testnet phase and aims to be a blockchain protocol designed for easy development of programmable zero-knowledge dApps, thus becoming the backbone of an open, permissionless, and global privacy-oriented dApp system, ecosystem. The project aims to remove the technical barriers that have hindered mainstream issuance and trading of products such as securities tokens. Compliance, auditability, and privacy are built into the open, permissionless, confidential security token standard, XSC. Project's mission. By allowing Dust to be openly accessible, the project's mission is to become the privacy infrastructure of choice for an entire ecosystem of solutions, whether in finance, governance, cybersecurity, or something completely new. With a combination of privacy and compliance, Dust is designed for the financial industry use. As such, Dust adoption strategy focuses on the security token market, which is in need of a purpose-built blockchain. Project value proposition. Privacy. Dust Network provides speed and full user privacy while enabling decentralized application issuers and third parties to create meaningful zero-knowledge proofs to fulfill checks and balances and audit and reporting requirements. Permissionless. Anybody can join the network as a consensus participant without a need for approval from a central entity. Public. Users do not need approval of a trusted authority to use the Dust Network blockchain. The Dust Network blockchain also requires minimal processing power and modest IT resources to join. All users who process the Dust token can participate in the consensus. Compliance. Through zero-knowledge proofs, companies and projects are able to create real-world applications that can adhere to strict compliance while also offering data privacy. This increases the ability to perform business processes on a chain, leading to significant cost reduction. The private sale price was 4 cents per token. They raised $8 million in the private sale. The circulating price $77 million. Private sale was $250 million. That is the BEP2. So BEP2 is so it's ERC20 token and the BEP2 token. BEP2 is the Binance chain. So they have they're going to be on the Binance chain. Okay. So what is the use of the Dust token? It's very important that you check out what the use of the token is. The Dust token is used to stake and participate in consensus. In addition, the Dust token is used to pay for transactions, deploying dApps, and as gas. The token also serves as rewards for consensus participants. Dust can be traded for XSC-based tokens, both one-way and through atomic swaps. The Dust token will be used for on-chain governments, which XSC once it's released. And the Dust Network block rewards are paid through an emission of Dust defined in the protocol. The majority of newly issued Dust will be rewarded to consensus participants, while a minor portion will go to technical development fund, creating an autonomous funding mechanism for the long-term research and development. The Dust private testnet comes out Q2 2019. The Dust public testnet is Q3 2019. So there is some time before we see a mainnet will be Q4 2019. They expect to have the mainnet Q4 2019. And Q1 2020 they expect to scale the network. Some of the partnerships that Dust has include Cypherblade, is a cybersecurity firm that deals with on-chain and analytics and secure company infrastructure. Blockchain Venture Coalition is the world's largest blockchain university network. Watson Law is a blockchain legal studio. Dust and Watson have created legal frameworks for security, token issuance, and trading. And The Reserve is a boutique investment bank and strategy consulting firm specializing in instruction and financing of emerging technologies. So those are some of their partners. Their project and team lead, Emmanuel Franconi. Jelly Poe is a project and team lead as well. Lead researcher, Favolo Venicelli. So they do have some people here that are. They have some other people, former software engineer, Matteo Ferretti. They have some people they have former Neo Research City of Zion, consensus architect. They have some names here of people who have worked at big places. The Dust token is currently listed on Binance Dex, Bitfinex, Ethernex, and Bittrex. Okay. And let's see. What else can I get you guys? So you can read that to find out how consensus is achieved. I'm not going to read that to you guys right now. But I will go over if they have any competitors. I don't see competitors listed here. I see some of the advisors on the project. There are some big names here. Ivan Poole, Switch.io Network co-founder. TNW founder Patrick DeLevay. Cypherblade Richard Sanders. BlackRock Communication Greg Quinn. There's some names here. Philip James Ford, Blockchain Venture Coalition Partner. So there's some more information on Dusk for you there. And then they have all of these articles here about it at the bottom. Conferences that they've been to, live UI, protocol documentation, the white paper. All of this can be found at info.binance.com. You can find all of this information there. So yeah, so that's your information for the Dusk Network. It's been listed on Binance about 3 hours ago. I want to right now I want to pull up the coin market cap for it. So right now it's 39 cents on coin market cap. $19 million. It's doing about $3 million in volume, almost $4 million in volume. And it's $19 million market cap, ranked 197 on CoinMarketCap. It's on the Binance Dex, Bittrex, and Ethernex right now. As you can see, 34% is Binance Dex, Ethernex 27%. So it's getting some volume. But the return on investment already is high at 102% because it started out at 22 cents and we're already up to 39 cents. So it's almost doubled already. On CoinMarketCap, the Dusk Network. As most Binance coins do, they usually pump pretty fast. This one is no different. It's pumping pretty fast as well. I would tell you guys to go check out the homepage. Check out the homepage at Dusk, www.dusk.network. Check out their homepage. Check out their white paper. See if this is something that you want to get into. See if this is a coin that you think. They have a video on their website here that you can watch. So definitely something you want to check out. Definitely something you want to check out, okay? But yeah, let me know what you think about the Dusk Network. They have 14K followers on Twitter. They have 14K followers on Twitter. And they have a lot of support. It seems like a lot of people are behind this project. The V-Label project as well. But it's just a very interesting project. So I would just tell you guys to follow up on it.